Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a spooktacular day. The 13 Days of Halloween series has officially ended, and now it's time to announce the winner. Before I announce the prizes and the winners, I want to give a special shout out to our spooktacular designers, Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick, and yours truly, Robyn Pitts from Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. I have been co-hosting the 13 Days of Halloween series with Rosa Kelly for the last 4 years, and Michelle has joined us for the last 2 years, and we've just had so much fun together. I really admire and respect these incredible designers. I'd like to give a shout out to my amazing new and existing subscribers. It was such a joy to log on every day to see your wonderful, supportive, and very gracious comments. I'm so happy that you found inspiration in my projects and that you will also be using my tutorials to create these projects on your own. Thank you so much for all of your kindness. You are what keeps me going. I'm sending a hug to each and every one of you. My first prize giveaway will be the mini bookcase. I had so much fun designing this project, and I'm very happy that it's going to go to a great home. So let's see who the winner is. And the first prize winner is Scrap Passion 01. Once again, that's Scrap Passion 01, and she said, another showstopper and another cute file that I'm going to purchase. Thanks for sharing. Well, Betty, thank you so much, and I can't wait for you to get this home, and I can't wait to see what you make with the mini bookcase file. My second prize giveaway is the Witch Hat Treat box. This is another one of my favorites, and I absolutely adore that little black cat with the golden eyes. Let's see who the winner is. The second prize winner is Karen Herrera. Once again, the second prize winner is Karen Herrera, and she said, adorable hat treat box. You did amazing. I love all you do, my friend. So talented. Hugs. Well, hugs back to you, Karen. You've been a faithful supporter, and I'm so glad this prize is going to you. Congratulations once again to the winners, Scrap Passion 01 and Karen Herrera. Please contact me within 72 hours to claim your prize. I will include my contact information in the description box below. There are even more opportunities to win fun prizes. All you have to do is visit each of the other channels to see if you're a winner. If you enjoyed the 13 Days of Halloween series, please be sure to join us again in December for the 12 Days of Christmas series, where you'll find more inspiration and creative gift-giving ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Hopefully you've enjoyed the 13 Days of Halloween series as much as I have. If you haven't already, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a video. I have lots of fun projects in store for you.